Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular micro-ATX motherboards, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi and the ASUS Prime B450M-A II. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed decision. We'll cover key aspects such as integrated Wi-Fi capabilities, RAM support, and additional features that set these two motherboards apart. Let's get started. The Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi comes with integrated Wi-Fi, making it a convenient choice for users who prefer a wireless connection. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B450M-A II lacks built-in Wi-Fi, which may require users to invest in a separate Wi-Fi card or adapter. This feature can be a significant deciding factor for those who prioritize wireless connectivity in their builds. When it comes to RAM support, the ASUS Prime B450M-A II takes the lead with the ability to support up to 128 GB of DDR4 RAM, making it suitable for high-performance tasks and gaming setups. In contrast, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi supports a maximum of 64 GB, which may be sufficient for many users, but limits future upgrades for those looking to push their systems to the max. In terms of USB connectivity, the ASUS Prime B450M-A II offers USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, providing faster data transfer rates compared to the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi, which features USB 3.1 ports. This difference can enhance the overall performance of your peripherals and external devices, making the ASUS board a better choice for users who rely heavily on USB connectivity. In conclusion, both the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi and ASUS Prime B450M-A II motherboards offer excellent value for their price. The Gigabyte board is ideal for those who need built-in Wi-Fi, while the ASUS board is better suited for users seeking more features and higher RAM capacity. Consider your specific needs and budget to determine which motherboard is the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.